Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to enable the Show Ad Pop-up feature for X for Professionals on your Android device using the latest updated method. If you've been looking for a way to make sure you never miss important promotional updates or marketing insights directly from X, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First, unlock your phone and head over to your settings. This is where you can control how every app on your device behaves, including notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. We're looking for the X app. Find X in the list, then tap to open its settings. This is where you can control permissions, storage, and most importantly, notification preferences for this app. Next, select Notifications. This section shows all types of alerts X can send you. Now, go ahead and tap on Notification Categories. This is an important step because it lets you manage specific notification types for different features within the app, instead of just turning them on or off entirely. In this list, look for X for Professionals. This category is dedicated to updates, features, and ad-related content designed for professional users of the platform. Tap on it to open its individual settings. Here's the final step. Toggle on Show Ad Pop-up. Once enabled, your Android device will display pop-up ads from X for Professionals directly on your screen, ensuring you see them right away instead of missing them in your notification shade. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Show Ad Pop-up feature for X for Professionals on Android. With this setting turned on, you'll be able to get immediate ad alerts without having to check the app manually. It's a quick way to make sure you're always in the loop for professional campaigns, special offers, and other timely updates. If you ever want to turn it off, just follow the same steps and toggle the setting back off. It's completely up to you to manage how you receive notifications from X for Professionals. Now your setup is complete, and you're ready to get the most out of the Show Ad Pop-up feature.